integer operations, square and cube numbers, square root. Three important topics we are going to discuss this video. Let's get started. Question 3, which is the first question of this video. Work out. Number A here is -6 plus 3. Before solve this one, we have to know about number line. Like this is 0. Here is in right side 1, 2, 3, all positive integer, and left side all negative integer, right? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. So first here is a -6. So from 0 to here is -6, right? This is -6 and +3. We will add +3. So 1, 2, 3. So here is +3. It means -6 to -3. Here is a +3. So this one is our actual answer, which is -3, because left side is considered minus. So -6 plus 3 equals to -3. If your question mention use number line, then you can use this format. Otherwise, no need. Number B, -6 -3. So -6, again we -3, it will be -9. Number C, -6 times 3. So first, this 6 and times 3, it will be 18. Here is a minus and here is a plus. Once we multiply minus and plus, it will be minus, right? So this is -18. Number D, -6 divide 3. So first, 6 divide 3 is a 2, and this is a minus, so it will be minus. Number E, 8 plus -10. It means here is 8, it will be unchanged. Plus and minus, once we multiply, it will be minus, and then 10. So 8 minus 10. For simplify, 10 minus 8, it will be 2, and 10 is a larger than 8, so sign will be larger sign. It means minus. Then F, -5 minus -9. Number 5, -5 minus -9. So this is -5 will be unchanged. Minus and minus, once you multiply, it will be plus, then 9. So this is very simple, 4. Okay, so work out question 3 done. Number 4, write whether each of these numbers is a square number, a cube number, or both. So first, here is number A, 49. 49, we can write 7 times 7. It means this is a square, right? Next, this 27, we can write 3 times 3 times 3. It means this is cube, right? Next, number C, 1000. We can write 10 times 10 times 10. It means 10 cube. So this is cube. Similar this one also. Now 3 times 3, we can write this one 3 cube, right? And this one is a 7 square. 64. This one, what can we do? This 64 can be write 8 times 8. It means 8 square. And also we can write 4 times 4 times 4. It means 4 to the power 3. So this one is both. It means square and cube. That means both. Next, 121. This is a 11 times 11. It means 11 square. So this is square. 2 to 5. 2 to 5. it's 40. We know if we square root 225, we will get 15, right? So 15 square, it means this is a square. Very simple. Number 5. 5 is very important. 100. Look, this 100 we can write 10 square, and here is a root. So this root and square out, it will be 10, right? Then 125. 125 we can write 5 to the power 3, and here is a cubic root. Two way we can out this one, 3 and cube out, or we can say 5 to the power 3 times against cubic root we can write 1 by 3. 3 and 3 divide, we will get 1, it means 5. So our answer is 5. Now here is a square root. 15 square is a 225 minus 12 square, it means 144. So once we subtract 5 minus 4, it will be 1. 2, it will consider 12. 12 minus 4, it will be 8, right? So these 2 we already give 1 to this 2, so therefore 1 minus 1 we can say 0. So here is a 81 and square root, and finally this one is a 9. Okay, so very simple. This video we are trying to solve free math based on operation, square and cube numbers, and square root. Next video we will discuss more, which is also very important for any kinds of grade, especially 6 to 8. No more today. Thank you very much for being with me. My channel MathJib. I wish you will subscribe my channel. Thank you.